Today we are going to work on some algebraic problems using join and compare model. The TIC number is 3.5. The student applies mathematical process standards to analyze and create patterns and relationships. The student is expected to represent one and two problems involving addition and subtraction of whole numbers to 1,000 using pictorial models, number lines, and equations. Okay, and I have two problems over here that is gonna involve addition and subtraction. And the first one is this one over here. And I'm gonna read it to you. And it says, Kayla has 12 pencils. She received some more pencils from her friend. If she now has 25 pencils, how many did she receive in total? So let's find out. In this word problem, we have a start amount of 12 pencils, right? We have a start amount of 12 pencils. Okay? And then there is a change of, we don't know, right? We don't know what is the change. But we know we have a result of 25 pencils. Result of 25 pencils. So, in order to solve this problem, what we're gonna do is we are going to use base 10 model.
Come to the front, please.
We're gonna use base 10 blocks models, okay? So I'm gonna erase this, and we're going to say the Kayla has 12 pencils. This is 10, right? 10. She started with 12 pencils. And then her friend gave her, we don't know how many more the friend gave her, but we do know that we have a result, and that result is 25. $10, $20, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so we have a start of 12 and we have the result of 20. So what we're gonna do over here is we are going to subtract from the result that we have 25.
Okay, guys, the first bus has arrived. We are ready for purple, green, and red bus. Purple, green, and red bus, please come to the front.
From the result that we have 25, we're gonna take out 12, and that will show us how many pencils did Kayla friends gave her. Okay, so if we put over here 25 minus 12, we got 5 minus 2 is 3, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So we now have that Kayla friends give her 13 pencils. So because she started with 12 and her friend gave her 13 more, now she has 25 pencils. Okay, so now let's do another problem. So this problem, we are trying to find the change of amount. In other words, we are trying to find how many pencils we need to be joined to start the amount to give Kayla 35 pencils altogether. So now we're gonna do another problem.
Okay, this is last call for purple bus, green bus, and red bus. If you ride pink, blue, or yellow, you should not be up here yet. That bus has not arrived. This is the final call for purple bus, green bus, and red bus.
This problem we're gonna solve it by a method that is called compare. And the problem says Nicole has 32 pieces of candy. Evelyn has 16 more pieces of candy than Nicole. How many pieces of candy does Evelyn have?
Yesenia Torres, your ride is here. Yesenia Torres.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave this over here. So we are saying that Nicole has 30. In this problem, we have a large set. Okay. We have a large set. That we don't know. Okay. And we're going to compare. Compare with the smallest set. Okay, compare is equals. Okay, and this one will be the rest. And this one will be the difference, okay? Difference. So the problem says, in this problem we have a large set, Evelyn number of candy, which is not told. Okay? And so that number is being compared to the smallest set, which is 32. 10, 20, 32. Okay? And that's what Nicole has 32 pieces of candy, okay? And so Evelyn has 16 more pieces of candy. So here, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay? So in this problem we have a large set, Evelyn number of candy which are not told. It's being compared with the smallest. It's being compared with the smallest set. Nicole number of candy is 32 pieces. We are also told that the difference between the two sets is 16 pieces of candy. This is therefore a compare problem. In this problem, we are trying to find the number of pieces of candy in the large set. In other words, the number of candy that Evelyn has. Okay? So, in order to see how many pieces of candy Evelyn has, I am going to add the smallest set with the difference, because this is what Nicole has at the beginning, that was 32. Nicole has 32 pieces of candy, and Evelyn has 16 more than Nicole. So that means 32 plus 16. And that gives you 6 plus 2 is 8. And 3 plus 1 is 4. So our answer is 48.